Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang green candle. Nagfo-form siya ng inverted pin bar with volume. So silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. 4 hours time frame nagkaroon na tayo ng another high which is nabasag na ni BTC yung resistance area natin. So what we expect if magkakaroon tayo ng candle na i-respect yung support area na to, possible continuation lang to ng uptrend. But the moment magbasag si BTC, yung invalidation natin is breaking this trendline support area natin with volume. So always wait for a confirmation bago tayo mag-take ng another long position dahil puro red candle pa. But the good news is, after ng selling, nagkaroon tayo ng doji, which is possible meron agad sumasalo dito kay BTC. So yung pinapakitang momentum ni BTC is we are still on a uptrend momentum.